Alright guys, this is the second video of optimizing your bio description. It's gonna be not that short as the previous one because we have a lot of things to do and we're gonna go from step to step. We have already talked in the first video about the username, and you have learned already that your username can be searchable, right? So if you put a keywords into your username on your Instagram, this is how people can find you, because in Instagram search bar functioning just like any other search engines. So make sure to not put this aside and try to put a keyword into your username. So we have discussed that in the very first video of this sprint. The next thing that we're going to discuss is the first sentence that people see once they jump on your Instagram profile, and this is the first sentence that is bolded. This first sentence is searchable as well. Whenever someone is typing on Instagram a keyword, let's say a sport coach, if this person has these keywords in as their first sentence in bio description, this profile will be corresponding to the search, right? So it will be shown in the search results. So this what we need to do right now, and putting the keywords of your industry, of your niche, how people can find your Instagram profile. Just try to think how your potential clients, how the potential followers can find you. Try to speak and use their language, because you might be a professional sport coach with a fancy name on your diploma and you would think to include that, but this is not how people would find you. Probably they would use more simple words in order to find your Instagram account. So try to think as your potential clients, as your potential follower, what kind of keywords they can use in order to find your Instagram profile. You can also write a slash and your brand name slash and or put just a bar and write your real name, just how you want your people to memorize who you are. This is also absolutely fine and people do that. Do not write as the first part your name, because unless you're known person, no one is gonna actually search your name on Instagram, so try to avoid that. The first thing that you need to use is the keywords of your niche, and you can also, if you still have space, because the space is limited there, you can also put your name. Now the second thing that you can see that is has a faded color, it's a category that is defined by Instagram that you can choose once you go through the setting up business or creator Instagram account. If you don't have that thing right now, you will need to turn your Instagram profile either to the business one or creator one. So now here I will have a questions whether you should choose business or creator one. There are a lot of rumors about this, but just think about this in that way. Your Instagram profile representing a specific business, then you should set up a business Instagram profile. If you are considering yourself as a personal coach, as a creator, as a personal brand, then you should also go for creator. The functionality does not really vary too much. Depends on what you choose. You will have different options for choosing a category. Once you converted your Instagram profile into business or creator one, you can go to edit profile, and there you will find categories that you can edit, and just choose any category that is corresponding to your niche. In one of the first videos of the sprint, I was talking about that once you identify your objective, your goals, your niche, we will start nurturing Instagram or educating Instagram algorithm to which category or to which, let's say, niche, big niche in the Instagram ecosystem allocate your Instagram profile. This is one of the things that we are starting to do already. Choosing the right category would really help Instagram to allocate your profile to a specific niche, so it can start recommending your profile among others that has similar objectives, similar niches. Just try to be as precise as possible. You can later on readjust it if you think that this is not correct. In the following lines, you can put any kind of information that is really necessary for the new users to learn. It has to be your unique selling proposition, USP, whatever value you bring to the users, to your follower base, whatever can be useful for the new users or attractive for the new users. Let's say you are one of the things that you're promoting on this Instagram profile is a course. So make sure to put this information into the bio description in the next following lines after the category. Or maybe it's a special product, or maybe you really want to say that, let's say you are online shop and you are selling eco products. Make sure to write down your unique selling proposition, that you're, I don't know, donating money for every purchased, or something like this, something that is really can grab attention of the new users and which will help them to make the decision to start following your Instagram profile. Here you can also include hashtags that would help users to navigate through your Instagram profile. I, in my case, use social mafia hashtags so people can find useful information, but you can use any kind of hashtags, and these hashtags are clickable, so whenever person will click on this hashtag, it should be in blue. However, sometimes Instagram has this glitch and sometimes are not clickable anymore. You just have to go back to edit your profile and then just, you know, retype it again, and then it's going to be blue. So once it's blue colored, people can click on it, and it's going to be all your posts that use these hashtags will pop up. You can also tag any kind of accounts that might be interesting for your followers, for the potential clients to explore as well. Instagram ecosystem does not have so many places where you can include links, but one of the places that is really important, that is also showing statistics in the analytics tab on Instagram, is the number of clicks. So this is one of the places where you can place your website link. So here, if you have only one additional source of traffic, let's say it's your official website, go ahead and use these as your website. So I'm not going to talk here about UTM parameters and how you can use the tracking links in order to track what people actually did on your website, because that's whole another topic. And if you're interested in that, make sure to write me below in the comments. I might do a tutorial on that. We're going to talk here like more in a simple way. So you can place your website, but if you have different sources of traffic or different platforms where you wish people from Instagram to drive to, let's say it's your website, also you have YouTube channel, you have Twitter, you have, I don't know, specific landing pages to sell your products or services, you can use services that are kind of offering this multi-link landing pages. So it's basically like a landing page which has several buttons where you can insert the links to your external platforms. Some of the popular services here is Linktree, TapLink, such services as Later, offering in the premium subscription the clickable posts. You just connect every single post to a specific link on your website, and then it generates a tracking link, and then you have one link, and then when person clicks on these links, all the posts can be clickable. So this is offered by Later, and I think it's pretty cool. If your main objective is to generate brand awareness, and you have a main source of your business is your website, and you want to drive traffic from Instagram back to your website, then this is the case you have to go for, is make your post clickable by using this service that is provided by Later. But we're going to talk about this a bit later when we're going to talk about post automation, and I'm going to show you how Later is working, and this link we will tackle as well. But for this video, I'm going to use a service TapLink. You can check the link in the bio description, and we're going to create the landing page with several links that people can use in order to explore other platforms of my own. All right, so we're just going to choose the first link, and we're gonna go and hit sign in. I'm just gonna quickly sign in with my Gmail Instagram account. All right, we're gonna authorize it with Social Mafia. All right, so the next thing, you can edit the logo. You just can click on that and make your logo smaller or bigger, change it from to another picture. I'm just gonna go ahead like this, and you can start adding new blocks, which is super cool because it's actually allows you to add different ones. So, and we're gonna start with the links, and I'm gonna write YouTube, and I'm going to include my personal link from YouTube. We're gonna place the link. All right, so, and here we have a call to action. settings, it's on. Okay, so save changes. The next thing, I'm going to add as well a link and grab freebies, and I'm going to put my personal website by Social Mafia, and another one I'm going to choose product photography, and I'm also gonna add this service as well to my tab link. All right, so save changes. So now since we just have a basic plan, we can not customize it for now because it's a free version. So, but I think the free version is absolutely fine. Whenever you are finished with adding links to your tab link, you just can click ahead and put publish. So we are going to copy the link and then we are going to place it on my Instagram profile. You can do it from your phone or you can do it from the desktop. It doesn't really matter. So when we're gonna go ahead and click on edit profile, and I'm going to replace this link with another one. And I'm gonna go ahead and click submit. So now when we are opened our profile, we're gonna click here and all of our links are going to be mentioned here, and they're all clickable, which is pretty cool. Here is the service. So in one of the other video, there's going to be about paid advertisement. We are going to look on the paid version of this tab link in bio. We are going to insert the pixel code in order to be able to do retargeting advertisement on Instagram, which is one of the things that people underestimate when they decide to spend money on some ads on Instagram. So we're going to do that. So I highly recommend that you use this service. You can check the link in the description box. All right, guys, and in the next video, we will start creating your feed, and you're gonna learn a lot of things about image positioning, how to create different image styles and all that stuff. And make sure to hit the notification bell button to not miss any of these videos. All right, guys, and if you don't mind, make sure to like this video because it does help for the algorithm to push these videos and for me to create even more content for you. And I'm going to see you tomorrow.